Everyone, welcome to Vysh IAS YouTube channel and to the Plums, a free UPSC series. Plums is a prelims level up MCQ series. On daily basis, 5 MCQs will be dealt. So today is episode number 223, July 15, 2023. We are going to deal 5 MCQs related to CSAT, math, aptitude and reasoning. Okay. So on daily basis at 9 p.m. As part of Plums, 5 MCQs will be dealt by different faculty of Vysh IAS YouTube channel. So kindly watch this Plum series in order to clear the prelims of the UPSC. If you practice the right way, then no one can stop you from clearing the UPSC exam. There are lots of free content which is already available in the Vysh IAS YouTube channel. If you want to get access of this content for free, you can subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. If you want to get the foundational video links, you can WhatsApp to this number that I am circling, that is 7200 6816 681675. You can WhatsApp to this number. Okay. Now let's start today's video. Find the sum of all 2-digit numbers that gives a remainder of 3 when they are divided by 7. So they are asking the sum of the 2-digit numbers that gives a remainder 3 when they are divided by 7. So if you write the numbers, so the first number can be 10. Okay, 7 ones are 7. So plus 3. The remainder is 3. So 10. 10 is the first number. And 7 twos are 14 plus 3. Remainder is 3. So I'm adding plus 3. 7 threes are 21 plus 3. So on it can go till gives remainder 3 when they only 2 digits numbered. So it can be 94. Okay, till 94. So 13 numbers can be there, 10, 17, 24 and so on. If you count till 94, there will be 13 numbers. Okay, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14 plus 3, 7 threes are 21 plus 3, 7, 13 is the 7 13 91 plus 3 94. Okay, so there are total n is equal to 13. Number of numbers are 13 and A, the first value is 10 and the last value, that is L value, is 94. Okay, now we have to find the sum. These things are in the AP series. So the formula is sum of AP series is number of terms into A plus first number plus last number by 2. Okay, first number, the number of terms is 13, first number is 10 plus last number is 94 by 2. If you do this, you will get this value will be 52. 13 into 52 is nothing but 676. So 676 is there in the option number A. So option number A is the correct answer for question number 1. Now let's solve MCQ number 2. They have given some pattern. We find the missing number from the following pattern. So they are asking the missing number from the following pattern. So we have to find what is the pattern that is approached here. Okay. If you carefully observe this, so 8 into 3 is 24, right? 8 into 3 is 24 minus something is equal to 21. 24 minus 3 minus is equal to 21. 3 is in the second place. So 8 into 3, 21. Sorry, 8 into 3, 24 minus 3 is equal to 21. So let's see whether this pattern suits in the second line also. 6 5s are 30 minus 5. 25, yeah, it is suiting. So we have to do it for the third line also. 10 into 2 is 20, 20 minus 2 is 18. So 18 is the correct answer. So option number B is the correct answer for the question number 2. Now let's solve MCQ number 3. The two numbers are in the ratio 3:4. If their LCM is 360, find the smallest number. So let us take the two numbers as 3x and 4x. So the LCM is nothing but 12x. 4 3s are 12. So 12x will be the LCM because x is a common term. So 12x is the LCM. Now according to the question, if their LCM is 360, so 12x is equal to 360. So x is equal to 30. The numbers are 3x and 4x, right? 3x is nothing but 3 3s are 3 into 30, that is 90, and 4 into 30, that is 120. Numbers are 120 and 90. The smaller one of the two is 90. So option C is the correct answer. Now let's solve MCQ number 4. There are 154 pearls in a necklace and all are colored either red or blue or green. The number of blue ones is 3 less than red and 5 more than green. Find the number of red pearls. So let's take the number of red pearls. Number of red pearls as x. Okay, number of red pearls as x. Hence, number of blue pearls As per the question, number of the blue pearls are, so if you read the question once again, there are 150 pearls in the necklace and all are colored either red or blue or green. So there are 3 kind of colors, red, blue and green. The number of blue ones is 3 less than the red one. So number of blue pearls is nothing but x minus 3. Okay, because red colors we have assumed as x. So green pearls, okay, blue ones is 3 less than the red and 5 more than the green. So green pearls is nothing but x minus 3 minus 5, that is x minus 8. 5 more than the green, so x minus 8. Blue ones are 5 more than the green, so that's why I am taking blue minus 5 is equal to green, x minus 8. So according to the given question, the sum of the pearls, the total number of pearls is nothing but 154. If you do the sum, x plus x, 2x, okay, plus x, 3x minus 3 minus 8. So 3x minus 8 minus 3 minus 8 is nothing but 8 plus 3 is 11. 3x minus 11 is equal to total number of pearls is 154. So if you solve this equation, let me write it once again so that it will not look clumsy. 3x minus 11 is equal to 154. This is the final step that we have written. So x is nothing but 154 plus 11 by 3. The answer will be 55. So x value is 55. So they have asked the red pearls itself. So we have assumed red pearls as x. So x value is 55. So option D is the correct answer for MCQ number 4. Now let's solve MCQ number 5, the final MCQ of the day. 2 trains running in opposite directions cross a man standing on the platform in 27 seconds and 17 seconds respectively, and they cross each other in 23 seconds. Find the ratio of their speed. Okay. So let's take the speeds of the two trains is x and y. So okay, one train speed is x meter per second and the other train speed is y meter per second. This is something which we are assuming. The length of the first train is so the length is nothing but distance it traveled. Okay, the speed is equal to distance by, so speed is equal to distance by time. So length is nothing but, so distance is something which we are assuming as length, so s into t. Okay, speed of the first train we have taken it as x into 27, so 27x. Okay, the length of the second train, this is the length of the first train, so length of the second train it will become 17y, because y is something which we have assumed. So according to the question, and they cross each other in 23 seconds, so 27x plus 17y by total speed is nothing but x plus y. So this is the total distance by total speed is nothing but the total time taken. Total time taken as per the question is 23 seconds. Okay, they have crossed each other in 23 seconds. So that's why I have taken a 23. So if I am writing it once again, the final step is, so 27x plus 17y, it's nothing but 23 into x plus y. This is something which we have written in the last step, right? So if you further solve it, 27x plus 17y is equal to 23x plus 23y. If you further solve it, to 27 minus 23, it's nothing but 4x. 23 minus 17x is nothing but 6y. So x by y is nothing but 6 by 4, that is 3 by 2. So the ratio, find the ratio of the speed. This is something which they have asked. Okay, 3 by 2 is the correct answer. So option A is the correct answer for MCQ number 5. So that is it for today's video. I hope so you have enjoyed and liked all the problems and you have understood also. So if you have not understood any of the problem, re-listen to the video. So that is it for today's video. And thank you everyone. Please subscribe and stay tuned to this channel and wait till the next episodes of Plums. Thank you everyone. Bye-bye.